In this video, we're going to be looking at the revision of arithmetic series. Right. Perfect. So number 10, they say the sum of the n terms of, wait, let me get my pen, ladies and gents. So there's my pen. Okay, so we're given the sum of n terms of arithmetic series is that. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I know that, okay, the sum of n terms of arithmetic sequence is 5n squared minus 11 for all values of n. Okay, determine the common difference. They want me to get D. Right. Perfect. So guys, remember this, né? On one of the videos, we discussed this important formula, but I'm going to do it again. We said S1 means the sum of the first term. The sum of the first term is just the first term, so it's T1, right? Which is basically 5, and then we replace all the n's by 1, minus 11. This is 5 minus 11, which gives us minus 6. So it means the first term is 6. Right. Now let's get the second term. We're going to do the same thing. The second term is basically the sum of the first term plus the sum of the second term. So we're adding the first and the second term, that is S2. But from the formula, we can substitute 2 on n. So we're going to have 5, 2 squared minus 11. Oh, so it's 11n. So here will be 1, which won't change, will be that. So, but, okay, here there's n. Sorry about that. So it means I must put 2 there. Right. And then this is going to be 5. 2 squared is 4 minus 22, which gives us 20 minus 22, which is negative 2. Right, but remember, this is T1 plus T2. Therefore, we can see that T2 is basically negative 2 minus negative 6. So you're going to take the T1 that side, you minus the T1, which means T2 is positive 4. Right. Then therefore, you can see that the difference is T2 minus T1. Remember, this is the formula of the difference, which is 4 minus negative 6, which is negative 10. Then that's it for the first question, ladies and gentlemen. Now let us quickly go to 11 and see what we can do with 11. Okay, awesome. Let's see. Let's see here. Awesome. So you can just do that. Okay. So on 11, they say the sum of an arithmetic series is 100 times its first term. Okay, so A. So they say basically the sum, which is Sn, of an arithmetic sequence is 100A, because they say 100 times A, the first term, right? While the last term is 9. While the last term, so L, remember, they say it's 9 times the first term. So the last term will be 9A. Remember, T1 equals to the first term, which is A. Now they say calculate the number of terms in the series if the first term is not equals to 0. Okay, so I'm going to use this formula here. Sn equals to n over 2 a plus l. The reason I'm using this one is because they gave me the last term. Then I can substitute now. Sn is 100a equals to n over 2. And then you have the first term plus the last term. Then 2 will times there, you're going to have 200a equals to, that is a then, and then you have 10a inside. And then you need to divide both sides by 10a. You need to divide both sides by 10a. Therefore, the number of terms of this pattern will be 20, because this A will cancel that, and then 10 goes 20 times into 200. And that's it about this question, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your attention and focusing. If you haven't liked the video, haven't shared, please advise family and friends to subscribe too. Thank you very much. Tango.